Well, why don't you come out here and clear it, you lazy fucking bum?
Lost one!
Hey, where were we?
What the fuck is going down?
We're good to go, man. Come on.
Plane's loaded up with crates, Trevor! Just like you said!
Rest of the guns must be on the plane down the end of the runway. Get me to that plane! Vamos, go! Time to see your handiwork, Ronald.
Ain't you gonna use them explosives? Blowing that bomb would probably help us out some. Any time to use that bomb? Ain't you gonna use them explosives? Watch your right side.
Let's go, Ronald!
Where's the guards at?
Come on, let's go, let's go! Shit! There's one for you, permit jump pricks! Suppose there's room for a passenger?
Pull up, pull up! We gotta get off this runway.
I told my contact to meet us just off the coast.
Hey, there's a biker on your wing, Trevor.
I am aware of this.
Well, you gotta get him off. Do a roll or something.
While the man on my wing presents no immediate danger,